Join me as I challenge myself to earn $5,000 a month using just these AI designs, and the best part, I have zero experience. Let's see if I can pull it off. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you find yourself constantly stressed about your financial situation, wondering how you'll make ends meet each month? You're not alone. Many people are in the same boat, struggling to find a way out of the cycle of financial stress and uncertainty. Imagine earning a passive income of $5,000 monthly without any prior experience or specialized skills. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. With the right guidance and tools, you can achieve this and more. Look no further. In this video, we'll show you how to create stunning AI designs that can generate a full-time income. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone with a bit of experience, our step-by-step guide will make the process easy and enjoyable. From zero to hero, we'll take you by the hand and walk you through the entire process. You'll learn everything from the basics of AI design to advanced techniques that can set your work apart from the rest. Our expert mentors will be there to support you every step of the way. No design skills are needed, and no prior experience is required. That's right, you don't need to be a tech wizard or a design guru to succeed. Our methods are designed to be accessible to everyone, regardless of their background or skill level. Just follow our simple steps and get ready to rake in the cash. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can start earning a substantial income from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're a student looking to make some extra money, a stay-at-home parent wanting to contribute to the household income, or simply someone looking for a lucrative side hustle, this video will change your life. The opportunities are endless, and the potential for growth is immense. So what are you waiting for? Watch till the end, and start earning the income you deserve. Your financial freedom is just a few clicks away. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to transform your life and achieve your financial goals. Discuss the common misconception that design requires years of experience, and how many people feel discouraged from trying to earn through design, thinking it's too complex to start. Let's dive into the fascinating world of AI design tools. These innovative tools are revolutionizing the way we approach design, making it more accessible and efficient. We'll explore various options available, how they work, and the unique features each one offers. From intuitive interfaces to powerful algorithms, these tools are designed to enhance creativity and productivity. We'll provide some examples of successful designs that anyone can create, showcasing the potential of AI in the creative process. It's important to note just how user-friendly these tools are, with interfaces that cater to both beginners and professionals alike. This makes it easy for anyone to get started regardless of their prior experience. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, AI design tools can help you bring your ideas to life. Now let's reveal a step-by-step process that can transform your approach to using AI designs. This method has been meticulously crafted to ensure you can replicate the success we've seen in our case studies. We'll dive into a detailed case study of someone who managed to earn $5,000 monthly using these AI designs. We'll showcase their journey, highlighting the key moments, the challenges they faced, and how they overcame them. You'll see the strategies they used to achieve such impressive results, the tools they leveraged, and the mindset that kept them going. This comprehensive breakdown will provide you with actionable insights to apply in your own projects. To wrap things up, let's recap the key points we've discussed. Remember, anyone can start creating AI designs and making money, no matter their background. The tools are accessible, the opportunities are vast, and the potential is truly exciting. Finally, we encourage you to comment on your thoughts about AI design, share your experiences, and don't forget to watch our next video for more tips on making money online. Your journey to financial success with AI designs starts now.